All right, the drink we're about to make is the Angry Chameleon. Now, I don't know if you've ever come across an Angry Chameleon, but it's not fun. This drink, however, is very fun. Let's put some ice in a glass, and we'll do 1 shot of rum. There we go. And follow that up with about 2 ounces of cherry Kool-Aid. There we go. And we're going to fill it up the rest of the way with good old Mountain Dew. Nothing like a little bit of Yellow 5 to really get you going. Let's go ahead and mix this all together. Now, the Angry Chameleon is quite dangerous because it goes all over when you're mixing it. It's not what I was going to say, but it seems to be the problem we're having. All right. Let's set up a glass now we got it all mixed up. And give it a pour. A straw, and you are ready to enjoy. Bottoms up.